Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm absolutely delirious because I'm in the middle of taking all my exams. I'm tired, I want to go home, I want my mom. I'm so annoying. Okay, I ordered an eyeshadow palette that I shouldn't have because I've bought so many freaking eyeshadow palettes. I literally don't have space for them in my apartment. I'm such a freaking dumbass. Okay, it's fine, Charlotte, it's fine. Okay. Anyway, but I wanted to review this one because I have questions about the whole glitter thing in here. This is the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced. It is the Diamond Light eyeshadow palette. The whole thing in here is that they have four pressed gel glitter shadows specifically or specially created to minimize glitter fallout so that your eyes stay dazzling with breathtaking intensity. I don't think anyone's ever described my eyelids like that, but that's fine. So fucking dumb. It really does look a lot similar to the highlighter that they came out with last year, which is of course the Diamond Light. I think it's just kind of the inspiration because people loved the packaging of that so much. But you open this guy up, it is magnetic. Ooh, there's a pretty little mirror, and there are 16 shadows. This is a $49 palette, so it's not a cheap palette, but it's pretty standard for Too Faced. And this packaging is pretty hefty, and I would imagine pretty expensive to manufacture. Also with this is plastic, not cardboard, what the actual shadows are sitting in. Actually, I really appreciate that. I don't like cardboard packaging for eyeshadows. Okay. Wow. Just looking at it. It's really pretty. I can't help but look at the shade Set the Jewel Tone. Like, it looks so different on camera. Let's swatch it. They don't feel like super smooth. They kind of feel a little bit pilly on my hands. But that's pretty. If we do a hand swatch. Okay. It's very duochrome. That's actually really pretty. Okay, what are some other shades I was a little bit curious about? Let's see how highly selective works. And then after this we'll do a matte. This feels like the exact same formula as Set the Jewel Tone. It feels kind of weirdly pilly, which doesn't feel kind of like the normal Too Faced shadow formula. I'll do this one right here. But it's really pretty. I think see, it's a little bit pilly. I feel like they've done this to increase the reflex on your eye. And it's nothing you can't work with. It's just something to be aware of. They do kind of pill up. Also, with this kind of formula, with the pilling, I would be worried about hard pan. But of course we don't know about that yet. And then let's swatch a matte. None of these mattes look like they'd be really hard to formulate. There are only 4. It's designer, fancy that. It's cashmere and oh, that's rich. So I'll swatch Oh, That's Rich. Feels not very dry. I mean, it feels dry, not very like soft, but it seems really pigmented. Here we go. Very strong matte. I really do like Too Faced mattes. These shadows feel a little bit different than Too Faced shadows I've worked with in the past. So I'm going to get going on an eye look using this palette. I cleaned my freaking brushes for you people, so feel really honored. You really should. Let's get some. This is going to be a rougher video because the state of my life. Oh my god, I just burped. What the? Okay. Yeah. See? The state of my life is in decay right now. I was texting my mom, fun fact, and like everyone texts their mom. I'm just putting on primer, and I was like, oh, I've been surviving off cold brew and orange juice, and she literally asked me, cold brew as in beer or cough medicine? And I was like, Ellipses iced coffee. But she didn't seem that concerned that it could have been beer or cough medicine, which is great. I'm going to take a Floofer blending brush and start with, there's pretty much only, oh no, there's 2 transition shades, but I'm going to kind of build them up and try to use as many shadows as possible. So let's go in with It's Cashmere. There's a little bit that comes off, but the fallout in the actual, like, palette isn't bad at all. These definitely aren't blending the way my Jeffree Star shadows have been blending, or my Kylie shadows, or my Anastasia shadows. My Anastasia shadows are my favorite, like, go-to, but I have been really liking the Jeffree Star matte formula lately. But these are just stiffer and harder to blend than I remember them being. Next, I'm going to take Fancy That to just deepen up this brown happening in the crease. I really don't know what kind of look I want to go for because this palette gives me a lot of options what I want to do. I'm going to go into Oh That's Rich and just keep deepening this brown situation. There's pigment here, baby. I don't know if I want to put glitter all over the lid and just be like a glitter queen, or kind of keep it as maybe a gradient. I mean, let's just go ahead and play with the glitter, right? Like, I specifically bought glitter glue for this purpose because I haven't messed around with glitter in a while. Because I got it stuck in my eye, and then it got like under my contact, and it started scratching my actual eye. So of course, me being the smart, rational human, I'm like, let's play with more glitter. Maybe I can really truly go blind this time. Okay, so I'm just taking some glitter glue and actually just putting it on the base of my lid. I'm pretty sure I've worked with this formula before. I'm just gonna try to, it is really tacky, but it does dry a little fast. So I think I'm gonna take it one eye at a time because it does dry so fast. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my finger. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh my god. What? 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 What's happening? Why am I a glitter princess? Girl, that is a glitter look. With really not any fallout here. And it's relatively controlled. Okay. No one's playing games here. That's been made clear. Going back in that pressed the same color. I can't wait to show up in the library later today, just with some glitter lids. And everyone else in their sweatpants. I mean, I'm gonna be in my sweatpants too, and they're just gonna look at me and be like, what in the world are you doing with your life? What are your priorities? Explain. This is amazing. Can I? Wow. I was totally about to like make fun of this whole glitter palette, but this is kind of the best thing ever. Do you guys like really see this? Like how extremely, I'm like gross, but like how extremely glittery my eyes are? Like, what? I'm gonna do the rest of it kind of more zoomed in, because this to me is absolutely crazy. I'm gonna go in with Fluent in Diamonds, which is the darker gold. I'm patting it on, I'm not rubbing it. What? Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Diamonds for breakfast and kind of blend the two colors. I've kind of just made a glitter disaster on my eyelid, but I'm kind of here for it. When you add this much glitter, there is a little bit of fallout. But what in the whole... My eyes are just glitter magic bombs. That's amazing. The only thing is I feel like I'm using a lot of product with the glitter. I mean, no one should use this much glitter like in their everyday life, I feel like. This is like a really crazy New Year's eye that no one asked for, but that just happened. Wow, okay. This is not a group of rule followers, just so I can take Diamond Life. Oh my god, this is like a arts and crafts project gone horribly wrong. I just wanted to feel all this sparkle. Let's go even further here because I'm insane. And take a little smudger brush and take the shade, set the Jewel Tone, which was that fun blue one, and just pop it under. This is not a crazy glitter shade. But I mean, like, it's, as far as normal terms, pretty glittery. I'm gonna fall asleep studying with all this glitter all over my face. It's gonna make for, actually, you know, pretty iconic moment. Guys, leave in the comments below what kind of junk food should I order to eat my anxiety away. I'm still in shock, I think, from what's happened. There's some glitter on my face. There's actually glitter all over everything I own. So that's fun. But that's nothing new. There's just more glitter on everything I own, which is cute. But it definitely carries that wet, glossy look, which I really like. Wow. I just dropped a granola bar on the floor. I don't know, guys. This is quite the look. So extra. I kind of love it. It's kind of crazy. I didn't buy any of the lip glosses from this line because I kind of think lip gloss is kind of gross. Unpopular opinion, popular opinion, I don't know. Put your comments down below. Kind of really started when I was probably in high school, and I think I kissed someone with lip gloss on, and I was like, this is gnarly. Never get yourself in that situation. It's disgusting. Wow, okay, yeah, I messed up my hair. It has glitter in it as well. I like ran my hands through my hair and then I freaked out because I was like, everything's covered in glitter, and I've washed my hands like 5 times and they're still covered in glitter. And my palette's covered in glitter. But let's talk about some of my closing thoughts on this palette. This palette is a $49 palette, so it's not cheap. But these are some of the easiest glitters. So if you just want pressed glitters, I really just recommend a Stila, what are these called? This is in the shade Diamond Dust, but it is, the Glitter and Glow like liquid things. These are so much easier to control. You can go in with a liner brush or whatever, and you kind of are given a doe foot type applicator to just really go in and get your glitter on. So if you really just want glitter, I'd recommend checking out Stila's products. But I think this is fun. This really is fun. The neutral shades are really awesome. I think this would be a great present for a makeup lover in your life for Christmas. That you know likes a little shimmer and sparkle, because that'd be just in time for New Year's, and this would be a New Year's look. I really like this palette because of the glitters, and just, this is kind of a fun, just a fun thing. It's a fun palette. It's something new at least. You can be excited about that. It has some cool tone shades, which I love. It has a really cool blue, which I love. The formula, while it feels different than other Too Faced shadows, isn't bad. My concern is just with the glitters drying up on me. So these are cute. If you haven't checked this out, it's not an insane highlight, but I feel like we're kind of moving past insane highlights in the first place. This is also a really cute gift, a little stocking stuffer to give a friend. I love gifting highlights. I will be gifting my friends a lot of highlights. I call it gifting the glow. I always tell my friends, you're getting some glow this Christmas, and hand them, not this specifically, but highlighters. I love giving people highlighters. And then this, like, for a girlfriend, if you're a boyfriend or a girlfriend, this might be a good gift for your girlfriend or your boyfriend, your significant other, who likes to get glam. I kind of saw this and knew I had to have it. Also, I know this wasn't the bestest tutorial ever. I was just kind of playing around with this formula and I haven't worked with it before. Homegirls, homeboys, tell me what kind of content you're looking for. Like, is there something you want me to review? Is there a challenge you want me to do? Is there, like, I have a lot of decorations, I have a lot of Christmas onesies, I have a lot of Christmas stuff. So if you have anything specific you want to see in December, or just a specific makeup thing in general, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys, this has helped you if you were thinking about buying this palette, if it's helped you form any opinions. I hope if you guys are taking exams that you guys get amazing grades in your exams. And if you're not taking exams, I hope you're having an amazing December. And I love you, and treat people with kindness.